Unit 4, Direct Language and Subjunctive Mood. Welcome to Unit 4 of this grammar course. In this unit we will talk about direct language and the subjunctive mood. Within the unit we will also explain reported speech, how to combine direct and indirect speech, the tenses of the subjunctive mood, etc. So, let's get started. Class 1, Direct Speech. Direct speech is a crucial aspect of the English language that every speaker of the language must understand. In this class, we will explore everything you need to know about direct speech, including its definition, examples, punctuation rules, and common mistakes. Well, what is direct speech? Direct speech is a type of speech that involves the exact words spoken by a person or character. It is also known as quoted speech or speech marks. Direct speech is used to convey a message or conversation directly from the speaker to the listener. Examples of direct speech and how to identify it in a sentence. Direct speech can be identified in a sentence by the use of speech marks or quotation marks. For example, "I am going to the market," said John. In this sentence, the words spoken by John are enclosed by speech marks. Other examples of direct speech include "I love you," said Mary, and "Can you help me?" asked Mark. Rules of direct speech. Direct speech follows specific punctuation rules that must be observed to convey the correct meaning of the sentence. 1. The first word of the direct speech sentence is capitalized, and the sentence is enclosed by quotations. If the direct speech sentence ends with a full stop, exclamation mark, or question mark, the punctuation mark is placed inside the speech marks. For example, "What is your name?" asked Tom. 2. If the direct speech is followed by a reporting clause, the reporting clause is separated from the direct speech by a comma. For example, "I am going to the market," said John. Direct speech in different tenses. Direct speech can be used in different tenses to convey different meanings. For example, "I am going to the market," said John, present tense. "I went to the market," said John, past tense. "I will go to the market," said John, future tense. The tense used in direct speech depends on the tense of the original words spoken. Direct speech versus reported speech, similarities and differences. In next class we are going to explain the indirect or reported speech, but to almost end this class 1, let's see some differences that direct speech and reported speech have. Direct speech and reported speech are similar in that they both convey a message or conversation. However, the main difference between them is that direct speech directly quotes the speaker's exact words, while reported speech paraphrases or reports the speaker's words. For example, in direct speech the sentence is, "I am going to the market," said John. And in the case of reported speech, the sentence is, "John said he was going to the market." Now, let's explain some common mistakes in direct speech. 1. Forgetting to enclose the words spoken by the speaker in speech marks. This mistake can make it difficult to identify direct speech in a sentence. 2. Forgetting to capitalize the first word of the direct speech sentence. Both of these mistakes can be avoided by following the correct punctuation rules for direct speech. Well, summarizing the class, direct speech helps us to directly quote the words spoken by a speaker. Use the correct punctuation rules for direct speech, and make sure that the first word of the direct speech sentence is capitalized. This is the end of the class. If you pay attention and watch all videos, soon you'll effortlessly use it in your own English speech without even thinking. See you on next video.